Hello everybody, we're doing a video right now, and what we have here is an original Game Boy Advance in Indigo. There's a glass screen on it, and there's an AGS 101 screen on it, and also, ta-da! I also installed a rechargeable battery on there. So you don't have to buy AA batteries anymore. AA batteries are damn bull crap, and a rechargeable battery sucks. Rules. The rechargeable battery rules. AA batteries suck ass. And I have the battery cover here. The battery cover has the original look. But if you want to recharge the rechargeable battery, you need to take the battery cover out and use this charger to charge it. And the rechargeable battery is amazing. It's absolutely great. I like this Indigo Game Boy Advance original. It has the AGS 101 screen on it, and I can play in the dark. Okay, so I'm doing a charge test with this special rechargeable retro modding battery Game Boy Advance original, and I see that the light is blue. And it has lots of power into it, I think. Red means low, green means fully charged, while blue means charging. So that's it. Bye.